Okay, so this is a very quick review on how to do your own rhythmic exercises. First of all, remember that you should print this worksheet and work on it with a pencil, then take a picture and load it into your assignment. If you don't have a printer, you can alternately use just blank paper and just write your own bars like this, right? 1, 2, 3 bars. It should be 4 bars. Bar number 1, bar number 2, bar number 3, and bar number 4. Remember that in the top, if you want, you can write the beats, the down beats and the up beat. Beat number 1, beat number 2, beat number 3, and beat number 4. You can do this as a guide so you know exactly where you're writing each of the rhythmic values. Okay, so quick review how to use all of the rhythmic values. Remember that half note like this, okay, equals 2 beats. Okay, so that means that I can put, these are my only possibilities. I can put a half note here, and then this will take 2 beats. So that means that I cannot write anything here, I cannot write anything here, I cannot write anything here. Alternately, I can put it here on beat number 2. There you go. That means that it will take all number 2 and number 3. So I cannot write anything here, I cannot write anything here, I cannot write anything here. I can also put it here below beat number 3. There it is. And in that case, it will take all beat number 3 and number 4. So that means that I cannot write anything here, I cannot write anything here, and I cannot write anything here. Those are your only 3 possibilities when you're using half notes. Remember, the half notes will always be on a downbeat, never on an upbeat, always below a number. Okay, so that is with half notes. Now let's take a look at the next one, which is quarter notes. Oh, as well, remember, before I forget, you can also, instead of doing the note, you can do a rest as well. You can write a half note rest here. You can do a half note rest here. And in that case, again, it will take all of these beats. You can write a half note rest here. And again, it will take all of these 2 beats. Beats number 2, number 3. Okay. Now, let's go with quarter notes. Okay, quarter notes last for 1 beat. Quarter notes, you write them like this. Okay, and this equals 1 beat. Okay, so these are your possibilities for quarter notes. You can put quarter notes always on the downbeat as well, just like this below number 1. And in that case, it will last for all beat number 1. So that means that you cannot write anything here. Okay, you can put it here on beat number 2. There you go. It will last for all this. You cannot put anything here. You can put it on beat number 3, just like this. It will last for all this. You cannot write anything here. And again, you can do it here on number 4. Sorry for that. That one came quite ugly. You cannot put anything here. Alternately, you can do the rest. Okay, the quarter note rest is like a Z with a C. There you go. So you can do the same. You can put it here below number 1, and in that case, it will take all of this time. You cannot write anything here. You can do it on number 2. Okay, in that case, it will take all of this. You cannot put anything over here. You can do it on number 3. You cannot put anything here. You can do it on number 4. It will take all of this space. You cannot put anything over here. And again, just like the half notes, this will only go on the downbeat, never on an upbeat, always on the downbeat. Okay, so that is with quarter notes and quarter note rest. Now let's see eighth notes. In eighth notes, you have only 2 possibilities, which I'm going to explain right next. The only 2 possibilities that you have for eighth notes, remember eighth notes, you can do this. You can have eighth notes in pairs, like this. You can have 1 pair of eighth notes like this, or you can have an eighth note rest, which you write like this, similar to the number 2 in Arabic numbers, and then another eighth note behind it. You can do it either like this, or you can do it like this. Those are your only two possibilities. And how you're going to do it? In this case, then you write one below the downbeat, one below the upbeat. And there you go. Sorry that this one came quite ugly. Same here. You can put one below the downbeat, one below the upbeat. That's how it goes. In this case, if you're going to use the eighth note rest and an eighth note, then the eighth note rest will go on the downbeat always. And then in the next upbeat, you have to put an eighth note. So that will mean that here on number 3, I can put this eighth note rest, and below the upbeat, I can put my eighth note. Okay, and I can repeat that one more time here. I can do this and this. Okay, that is the way to do your rhythmic exercises. This is how you use all of the rhythmic units that we have covered so far. Okay, remember you have to complete all the 4 bars. Bar number 1, bar number 2, bar number 3, and bar number 4. Alright, see you around.